Welcome to MTech System IT Services. So today we are going to provide you school portal. So we are giving you the source code. So if you require the full package like the trainings and the support and updates, so it's a paid updates and the support. So you can discuss with our team. So now this is our front page. You can see this front page. Same front page you will get in this source code. The next option we can see this login option. So simply you can create your student login or teacher login from this option. So now we can see this admin portal. This is the admin option, and this one is a user login option. So now in admin we can see these options here like fees payments, staff approved leaves, student approved leads. So you can see this all details here in the admin panel. Now the first option is the front office. So the first you can see the admission inquiries. Simply you can search the inquiries, otherwise you can create an inquiry also. Next you can see this visitor books. So you can add here also for the visitors. Next you can see the phone call logs. You can add your all phone call logs here for your students and your staff members. Next you can see this postal dispatch, and next you can see this postal receive option. So you can create here. Next we can see this complaint type. So you can create any complaints here. And next you can see this setup front office. So simply you can create a purpose like a content type, source and the reference from this option. Next we can see this student information. So we have so many options in the students option. So first you can see the student details. Simply you can filter out here with the class and the section. Next you can see this admission option. Simply you can fill up the admissions. Then you can see the online admissions here. Then disabled students also you can see here. Then you can see this class students option. Next the bulk delete option, simply you can delete it. Next you can create the categories for your students here. Then you can see this student house you can create here. And the last option is a disabled reason. So this is the student information. Now we can see this fees collection options. So the first we can see this collection fees. Next you can see the offline bank payments. Then you can search fees payment also with the payment ID. Then you can see this due fees here also. Simply you can select the group and the class and the section. Then you can see the fees master here. Simply you can create this one. Then you can see the fees groups, then fees type, and also you can give the discount on the fees. Next you can see this fees carry forward option, and you can see this reminders also for the fees. So you can set the days here. Now we can see this income option. So simply we can add the income from this option. Next you can search the income also with the today, like depend on the dates or the month. Next you can see this income head. Simply you can create the head here and with the descriptions. Now we are going to see the expenses. Simply you can add expense, you can search expense, and the expense head also you can add here. Now in examinations, so many options. So first option is the exam group. So simply you can create the exam group here. Next you can see the example schedule with the class and the exam option. Next you can see this results, exam results. Then simply you can design your admit card also from this option. Then next we can see this print admit card. Simply you can create your admit card here. You can upload your images. In a printer option you can simply print the card. Next we can see the design mark sheet option. Simply you can design your mark sheet also. So this one is an example for the mark sheet. You can see on my screen. Next we can see the print mark sheet option. So simply you can print also. Now we can see the mark options, marks guide. Simply you can give the grades and the all things option. Now you can see the mark divisions. Now you can see this next option, attendance. So you can see the student attendance with the class and the section wise. Next, approve leaves you can see here. Also you can create a approve also, like leave. Then you can see this online examination. You can simply create the exam form here and question bank here. Simply you can create your questions answers here, like only questions for your exam. Now we can see this academics. So the first is a class timetable. Simply you can select the class and the section. Teacher's timetable we can select here. Then assign class teacher. Then promote students also you can see here. Now subject groups you can create here. Also you can create the subjects like a theory and the practical option. Now we can see the class options. We can create the class here with the section wise, and you can create the sections here. Now we are going to see the lesson plan. So the first option is a copy old lesson. So simply you can copy and the paste for the new lesson. Next you can see the lesson plans you can manage here if you create. Also you can create your lessons from this option. Also you can create the topics also. This is the options. So you can create from this admin panel. Now you can see this annual calendar. So simply you can like filter out your calendar like holiday, vacations and activities here. And holiday type you can filter out here. The next we can see this human resources. So you can see this multiple options here. So the first is a staff directory. Next, staff attendance you can filter out here. Then payroll you can set here. Approve leave request you can see here. Also you can create the leave report also. Then apply leave option. Then leave type you can create here. Then teachers ratings you can see here. Departments you can create departments here. Then you can see the next option is the designation and the disabled staffs you can see here. These are all options for this human resources. Next we can see the communicate. So in communications we can see this notice board. Simply you can create a notice board here for your users and means like your students, for your staff members. You can see this email template option here. Simply you can create a mail format here for those like sending messages on the mail. Also you can send the SMS also. So these are the options for the messaging. So you will get the settings in a general settings option for the message integrations. These are all options like email templates, SMS templates you can create here. This is for the email template. And next you can see the SMS template. Simply you can create here. Now we can see this download center. Simply you can upload or otherwise download your mark sheet. Then you can see the content shared list. Video tutorials you can filter out here with the class. Then you can see this content type. Then we can see this homework option. So simply you can add homework and daily assignment for this option. This is the daily assignment option. Now we can see this library options. So you can see this all options like a book list. You can simply create the book list here. This is the option for the list. Then you can see this issue returns. Then add student also you can add from here. Then add staff member option. Now we can see inventory option. So you can see this issue items. These are all options for the inventory. Simply you can create a issue item here. Then you can add the categories. like stock and the items you can add from this option. Here you can create the categories. Then you can see this item stores here. You can simply create. Then item suppliers you can create here. Now we can see the transport option. So you can see this all transport options here. The date and percentage, all options you can see. Then pickup points you can add here. Then routes also you can set here, routes titles. Vehicles you can add here. These are all details you can fill up for your vehicles. Then simply you can assign the vehicle also for the routes and for your staff and students. Next, route pickup points you can add here for the pickup points. Then you can see this student transport option. Now we can see this student CV option. So simply you can build a CV. So you can see this all options here for the CV option. And also you can download the CV with the class and the section. Now we can see this hostel option. So simply you can create a hostel rooms type, and the hotels you can add from this option in hotels options. Now we can see the certificate option. So these are all options for the certificates. Simply you can see generate the student certificates here. Next, you can create a student ID card here. It's a customized, so you can use these all options here for the student ID card. Also, you can generate the ID card also from this same option. Now we can see this generate option here for the staff ID. Now we can see this front CMS, like simply we can create the events here with the calendar. You can see the gallery option here. News you can add here for your school. Then you can see the media manager. You can see the all images here. Pages you can create here, like terms and condition, privacy policies. Menu also you can create from this option. So you can see this all menus in your front page. Then you can add your banner images here. Now we can see this alumni option. So you can manage this alumni, and also you can manage the events. Now in a reports we can see this multiple options here. So the student information, you can see this all options here for the reports. Then finance, you can see examinations reports, online examination reports. You can see this all reports in the report option. Next we can see the system settings. So this is the all settings available, like in a general settings you can change the logo, descriptions. We can change it all from the admin panel only. So these are the multiple settings available here. Like if you want to add like a payment gateways, SMS settings, email configurations for the messages, payment methods, and these are all settings available here. So we are going to provide you the only source code if you require the training and the support for this all package. So it's a paid support package, so you can discuss with our team regarding the package. So follow for more details with the MTech System IT services. Thanks for watching our video.